President Bongbong Marcos says the development of an airport on Pag-asa Island is among the priorities of the government. Speaking at the distribution of assistance to those affected by the dry spell in Puerto Princesa City, Marcos underscores the importance of Palawan in national defense, as well as the role of tourism in the province's continued growth and development. Marcos also says the military runway project at the Balabac Island Air Base is nearing completion.
Nasa huling bahagi na lang ang paggawa natin ng Balabac Military Runway, lalo na't malaki ang papel ng gagampanan ng Palawan sa pambansang seguridad. Kasama din siyempre sa ating prioridad ang pagpapalago ng turismo sa inyong lalawigan at sa pagpapabuti pa ng daloy ng transportasyon dito. Ito'y gagawin natin sa pamamagitan ng Puerto Princesa Airport Development Project at Pag-asa Island Airport Development Project.
Pag-asa is an island in the Kalayaan chain at least 285 nautical miles off Palawan. The Philippines has long established military and civilian presence in the area, although China is also claiming the island. Balabac is a town in Palawan strategically close to Chinese fortifications in the West Philippine Sea and is one of the 4 additional locations for the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement. China claims almost the entire South China Sea, including the West Philippine Sea, but an international arbitral ruling in 2016 has dismissed China's claims as having no legal basis in favor of Manila.